So hubby decides to change his own oil, y'all. Go ahead, hubby. He is changing his own oil in his GMC Sierra. See how it's going. How everything going?
Yeah,
You almost through?
yeah. We've been through last week at the other wrench, right wrench.
You had to go. Oh, you had to go get the right wrench. Uh,
What I had was too big. Trade that in. Got another one. You better get mad now.
huh. What'd you say?
I said you better get mad.
I'm finna get mad. Cause what? What you about to do? Make a mess on my carport? What is that? Ooh, what's all that? Oh, that's the oil. That's the old oil.
That bucket thing I got a call.
Oh well, use it for something.
Oh,
I sure was wondering what you was holding that, catching it all in.
that's gonna be my oil thing here. This oil thing. You gotta black that oil over. Ready?
It's ready.
Yeah. Come on, ready. Ready, come on.
So what you got to do now? You just got to put the new oil in there.
I'm done. I can let the car down on.
Okay. You done.
Remember, safety first.
Okay, Mr. Bus Driver.
Always make sure it's secure.
Right,
Always.
right.
I use two 3-ton car holders in a jack when I'm under the vehicle.
Oh,
Safety
okay.
first.
Hmm. So now what's next? Oh, put the oil in there.
Put all in. STP 0W20 that I use in my car, my
Oh,
truck.
0?
0W20.
Okay.
Synthetic.
Mm-hmm.
That's the best oil.
Right.
There's always one in the yard. You bumping about that much?
It's time for it to get mowed. I think you might need an extender, huh?
I'm gonna get up there.
Oh, yeah,
But I
get
got
up
them.
there.
But I got them 18, 26s on here, make it higher.
Oh, steady, steady. It's gonna take all of that down?
Let it and plus 3 more.
Oh. Okay.